Nature's most beautiful display is our blueprint for the future.
We are building the pavoreal, a structure that mimics the peacock's fan. This isn't a tower. It is a wide-span, horizontal masterpiece.
Each floor curves outward, just like the feathers of a bird.
The footprint is enormous, stretching over 500 meters wide. Every room is centered around these eyes, massive circular light wells.
These quills are the bones of the building. They support the entire fan.
We start from the center and build outwards in a perfect arc. The structure needs to be flexible to breathe with the wind.
You can already feel the curve. It's like being inside a giant wing.
Precision is key. A 1 millimeter error ruins the entire arc. The spine holds the weight, while the feathers flare out to the sides.
These cables pull the structure together, giving it incredible strength.
The building will change color based on the angle of the sun. Installation of the facade begins at the outer edges of the fan. It's a delicate process. The glass is as strong as steel, but light.
The light inside is ethereal. It's like living inside a jewel. The fanning shape creates its own microclimate, cooling itself naturally.
The glass uses nanotechnology to create color without any paint. These allow the building to adjust its feathers to the wind. For the first time, the pavoreal breathes. The panels tilt as one.
Look at that shimmer. It's exactly like the bird it mimics.
These central eyes are the structural hubs for each luxury wing.
Every suite is designed around a perfect circle of light.
We are creating thousands of square meters of living space within the arc. The horizontal span allows for massive, open concept floor plans.
This isn't just a room. It's a panoramic view of the entire coastline.
All utilities are hidden inside the building's bones to keep interiors clean. Every material is chosen for luxury and its ability to withstand salt air. The central crest will house the world's most exclusive restaurant.
You'll feel like you're floating on the peacock's golden crown.
From up here, the engineering looks like a work of fine jewelry. Every suite is a self-thinking unit, controlled by voice and AI.
Pavoreal, activate privacy mode.
The skeleton is now becoming a city within a single structure. The aesthetics mimics the organic patterns found in nature.
These 2-ton walls move silently on magnetic tracks.
Outside is a hurricane. Inside, you wouldn't even know it. The architecture protects the residence by changing its shape.
Even during the storm, the building's core is rock solid.
Every kitchen is a masterpiece of ergonomic biomimetic design. Maintenance is handled by a fleet of autonomous cleaning robots. Dining here is an immersive 360-degree visual experience.
The atmosphere is just as important as the architecture.
The pool cantilevers 50 meters out over the ocean below.
You're swimming on the edge of the world.
We use acoustic technology that mimics the silence of an owl's wing. The pavilion is no longer a construction site. It is a home. Opening night. The most prestigious address on the planet.
We used a bird's wing structure to eliminate the need for pillars.
Fresh sea air is filtered and chilled, flowing through the veins. A symbol of what happened when engineering meets high-end art.
It's even more beautiful when it's filled with life.
High-tech luxury starts the moment you arrive.
Welcome to the next era of luxury living.
The pavoreal is the center of the world's social scene tonight. Shh. The architecture itself participates in the celebration.
We didn't build a tower. We built a new way to live.
The room adapts to your mood and the movement of the sun. Seamless technology integrated into every surface.
Even our retail spaces follow the flow of the Peacock span.
We ensure the safety of our residents with constant monitoring. Next era builds, defining the peak of luxury. It's the closest you can get to sleeping under the stars in total luxury. A beacon of light on the coast, visible for miles. Arrival by sea is the preferred route for our VIP residents.
This is where the world comes to see the future.
Every detail, from the glass to the jewelry inside, is flawless. Elevators that move horizontally and vertically without a sound.
You'll feel more energized just by breathing the air in here.
The ultimate in privacy and high-speed access. The spine is the source of the building's power and light.
This beam is holding up 5,000 tons of luxury.
Engineering so smooth, the residents never feel a thing. Future-proof amenities for the modern resident. Okay.
The building is literally fanning its guests to keep them cool.
Architecture that creates its own dramatic lighting. Relaxation, designed by biologists and engineers.
We take care of our residents' health as much as the buildings.
Efficient, silent, and naturally regulated. Custom made for the pavoreal. You won't find these anywhere else.
We use giant scale 3D printing to create seamless interiors.
Gold on gold. The building disappears into the sky. The smartest building ever constructed is also the safest.
We waste nothing. Even the luxury has a zero footprint.
Oh. A walk through the lobby is a walk through a work of art. The building reacts to what the residents are doing inside. The water meets the sky. There is no horizon here. It makes every other skyscraper look like a relic of the past. Even in the dark, the structure retains its shimmering mystery.
It's exactly what we dreamed of, only better.
Living architecture. Breathing luxury. SSAs. Even the transit in transit inside the building is a luxury experience.
Safety can be beautiful too.
A guide for ships and a landmark for the world. Thousands of tons of steel floating effortlessly in the air. This is the result of thousands of hours of hard labor.
Perfection means the residents never feel the earth move.
A morning ritual for the world's most exclusive community. Start every day at the center of the sun's arc.
Engineering that respects the passing of time.
Always watching. Always maintaining the shimmer.
The building is still generating a surplus. Perfect.
Total acoustic isolation from the elements. Light is the most expensive luxury. We have it in abundance.
I think it's time to move in. Dust and salt just slide right off. It stays perfect.
The most exclusive club in the world, 600 meters up. The pavoreal is the heartbeat of the modern city.
Project Pavoreal. Status, fully operational. A celebration of the hands that built the impossible. We've set a new standard for what a home can be.
The pavoreal pulses one last time for the camera.
One project ends, another begins. The world is our canvas.
Building the future, one feather at a time. Inspired by nature, perfected by man.
Nature always has the best ideas. You just have to build them.
The Pavoreal Pavilion, the world's first living masterpiece. Next Era builds, engineering the peak of luxury.